Hey everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Today, we're diving into one of NASA's most exciting missions, the Dragonfly mission to Titan. Titan is Saturn's largest moon, and it's super fascinating because it has rivers, lakes, and seas made of liquid methane and ethane, plus a thick atmosphere rich in nitrogen. So, what's Dragonfly all about? Dragonfly is a rotorcraft lander, basically a drone, designed to fly across Titan's surface. It will study Titan's chemical composition, atmosphere, climate, and potential habitability. Why Titan, you ask? Well, Titan has Earth-like features, a dense atmosphere, liquid bodies, and weather patterns. It's also loaded with complex organic molecules and possibly a subsurface ocean. Scientists think Titan might have the building blocks of life. Dragonfly's mission is packed with goals. It will analyze Titan's chemistry and prebiotic conditions, search for biosignatures like amino acids, study surface features like impact craters and dunes, and investigate Titan's climate and atmosphere. And the coolest part, unlike rovers, Dragonfly will fly between different locations, covering over 175 kilometers. How will Dragonfly work? It's a quadcopter with 4 dual rotors, allowing it to take off and land like a drone. It's powered by nuclear energy and will communicate with Earth via the Deep Space Network. The mission plan is ambitious. Dragonfly will launch in July 2028 on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket and arrive at Titan in 2034. It will land in the Shangri-La dunes near Selk Crater, a region rich in organic materials. Once there, it'll explore for about 3 years or more. Dragonfly is equipped with cutting-edge instruments like a mass spectrometer, gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer, seismometer and meteorology sensors. These will help it analyze samples and send data back to Earth. But there are challenges. Titan is super cold, around -179 degrees Celsius. The journey will be long, about 6 years, and Titan's thick atmosphere, while great for flying, can make communication tricky. In comparison to other missions, like Europa Clipper to Europa or Perseverance rover to Mars, Dragonfly is unique in its ability to fly and explore diverse terrains. So Dragonfly is not just about exploring Titan, it's about unlocking the secrets of our solar system and possibly discovering the origins of life itself. Stay tuned for this revolutionary mission. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space adventures.